All right, so this video is going to be real short because it's for slides 14 through 16. It just makes sense to make this one its own little clip. All right, so we have alliteration, which is the repetition of the same initial consonant sound. The most important thing here is that idea of the consonant sound. So it's not going to be letters that starts with vowels, everybody. Consonants is everything but A, E, I, O, U. Okay? So my examples up here is he looks slick and smooth with a silly smile. So I have that repetition of that sound, and more importantly, there's that repetition of that blend, that sm. I think that's how you would say that, sm, that SM noise. So the churchgoers chased the chicken out of the churchyard. So we have that ch, that hard CH going together. So in this one, you have to go and identify your own alliteration in this. So there should be a couple of different places that you could find one. But I started with surface of stone, so that repetition of that S sound. So be mindful that it's mostly just the initial, so it has to be at the beginning. So you'll notice that some of them will have stuff in at the end that kind of goes with it, but we're looking for that first sound. So that's pretty much it for this video.